Ganesha all-in-one. Hi friends, today I'm going to show you the Lucida handwriting which I learned. Okay, let's go.
Now I'm going to show how to hold a pencil. First, fingers needed for holding a pencil. Middle finger, index and thumb. Hold a pencil like this with the thumb bended. And to show the kids, we have to hold like this and flip it so that the kids will understand it easy, and this is the right position for the handwriting, and kids can easily learn this method, and it's very gripful. Now I'm going to show the basics. For the basics, we need 4 lines book, and for the 4 lines, in the 4 lines we have to use only the 3 lines. We should touch the upper first line and the downer third line and write. For the Lucida handwriting's basic, the first step is circles. The circles have to be so perfect that it have to not go above the line or go below the line. We have to write the circles 2 or 3 pages for more improvement. And in this Lucida basics, step 2 is slanting line. Slanting line is also the same way. Up first line and down third line. You have to touch and write. This slanting line also we have to write 2 or 3 pages for good handwriting. The third step of Lucida basics is zigzag line. Zigzag line also have to be so perfect as if it has been like a mountain or a hill, and it have to touch the top line and go down, starting from down to up. This also have to be 2 or 3 pages. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and bye bye. Thank you.